I'm gonna do a lighter, which is a Delight first. And then you can add more delights if you want to. Hey Nally, how are you? Welcome, hugs. You can add more delights if you really like it. Nally, how are you? It was so awesome to watching your live tutorial yesterday. It was so cool. I'm just doing one, but if you can do 2, 3 more, if you want to be really, really dramatic, like Dogger. And I am going to using Crystal Clear. Hey Dom, Serenity, how are you? Hey Polish Me Too, how are you? Only I need is Crystal Clear and piece of paper. I have 2 colors, which is Thinking Green and Flowing Blue earlier. So I'm gonna tap. You can tap wherever, but just don't use a lot of Crystal Clear. Just really bury your brush, get enough of Crystal Clear. You don't want to load it, saturate with the Crystal Clear, because it will happen that it will bleeding all of your colors. Doesn't matter whatever designs you want to do with this, is gonna make it so much fun to create so many designs. Even with the gel painting, if you want to draw something on it, it's nice to have a little bit of like cool background. I'm just so really obsessed with this because it's make the nails design so much pop. So if you don't want anything at all, like no crystal, no sticker, nothing here, and then if you want to do a veins and put the gold veins on it to make it looks like a really, really like fall look, then you can. You took that off and he took that off already. Look at that. Like, he gave it to me, he took that completely off. That's so pretty though. I don't want to put anything on it. I'm planning to put some crystal, and it's so gorgeous. It is so stunning though. Okay, now I'm like fascinating with this. 2 colors, so cool. If you would like to watch any video with 1 colors, there are so many videos that 1 colors. You can absolutely join me on that and try that 1 colors. And you can do 2 colors. Just make sure you pick a lighter pigment first and then a darker one. So
yeah, Bella, try come back out and in. Because yeah, I don't think any of our monitoring screen is frozen.
So I am gonna do something is really cool, and everybody been asking, and we are going to doing it again. It's condensed glue gels, and I am gonna do a dragon scale. Condensed glue gels, one of our best selling all time. Condensed glue gels on the top. And then if you want a matte top coat, you can absolutely put the matte on. If you don't want to, doing no white top coat. Dragon scale. Ooh, Dom, you don't know how excited I am. Can't wait for your live video. Tomorrow's unicorns. Hi, Eric. What unicorns? Fancy unicorn? So cool. Okay, the other ones, I didn't put the top coat yet. I will do the crystal placement. Seeing I am on the second nail, so I am gonna finish the second nails before I go back to the first nails. And I will using one of a tribal design. I wanted to pick the blue one. There's a white one. There are some other colors. There's so many cute over there in that collection. You can see. Oh, this is kind of cool blending colors and perfect for fall. So it's really cool. Tip and trick when you do this dragon scale. Place them close together. Stay tuned for your dragon scales section in the $5 nail arts with the really cutest jars in the $5 section. So we have like $14 sections and then $5 section. They're all different kind of jar, but they're all so cute. Just give you a heads up. Can you see that? But on my end, it's super cute. You can using other color, absolutely. So you can see that. Make sure you're seeing that the halo side is gold underneath on the nails, and then the little bit of texture size like a raise up. You put this the right side, and you can see a little sparkle. This one. I get some of the pumpkin spice. I might need it. I might not. Don't need it, but we'll see. So stay tuned, everyone, for the trade show. It's gonna happen in next week, October 18th. It's a lot of cool tutorials and special promotions, giveaway. I can't wait. Just think about it, make me like goosebump. So many talented is nailed. Like influencer and ambassador on our team. Can't wait to share with you. So you don't have to put any is crystal on if you are, as I feel like you're done. Even without the crystal, it looks super cute. You can add more, or you don't have to add anything. Super cute. Let me see if I can get this one. I just didn't want to cover the big crystal because it's going to take me away from my really cute fusioning. Just a couple of the beads. Oh, I like this one with more beads. You can add more on. I need to get my tray. Can I get the bead tray, please? Sorry, it's in front of me, but I don't want to reach it through the screen. It's okay, that one work. Okay. I love how it's a lot of cool like mixed jars with a lot of exclusive from us. There's always there are always beads and frame. Being available. So all of these techniques you will absolutely learn hands-on with us in the class. We only take few students, and seats are limited, like, so then we can't take so many. We'll not that we can't, we just don't want to take so many students, so sittings are limited. So if you are having any questions regarding to class in Pensacola's coming next month, with all that support gifts from Glitz and Chisel Nail Arts, and you get a whole full day of dedications from us, me and Vicky, who share with a best tip and trick, salon style shape. If you are feeling like you have trying to shape your nail for so many times, keep practicing, and you're still having a hard time, and you did the best you can, you try to precise, and it still looks so bulky after you finish, you are in the right class. And if you have a hard time to getting a crystal placement, doesn't matter how many video and YouTube you're watching and your crystal is keep coming off, you are in the right class. If you are not sure that what you can use and doing it and what type of crystal, and are you selecting the right kind and good kinds for your quality clients, so you are in the right class. So any other further question that you feel you're not sure, you can always ask us or DM us or email us, so then we can assist you. It's really, if you are ready to take your business to the next level, so you don't have to see your next door neighborhood or any of your neighbors or any places or any other salons getting so much of cool techniques that you're trying so much every night, struggling with this, and you couldn't figure out how, you are in the right class. You know why I know? Because that's what happened to me. When I start finding a lot of mentor, it was training and teaching me for past almost 20 years. So I am really excited and passionate about this and really want to bring it to you. Right in the heart of Pensacola here, with so many support and so many gifts from Chisel and Glitz. Okay, so I'm happy with this. If you all want to add more crystal and beads, you absolutely can add more, bigger frame and everything. I'm gonna keep this one. It's really cool, and it's like fall look.